Hello kids, let's learn alphabets. A for avocado. B for balloons. C for carrot. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hat. I for igloo. J for juice. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye bye.